In front of me is ULEFONE Power 3S, and let me show you how to activate camera timer on the following device. So first of all, you have to open the camera app, then find and select More icon. Here locate self timer, it's right here, click on it, and now pick 2 or 10 seconds. I will choose 10 seconds, and now you can grab a photo with 10 seconds delay. Here it is. That's it. Then whenever you would like to switch it off, just tap on the More icon again, click on self timer, and turn it off by tapping on off. Just like that. So basically that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.